Psalm 55:22. Cast thy burden upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee. He shall never suffer the righteous to be moved. This verse reminds us that when life's challenges feel overwhelming, we can trust in God's strength to carry our burdens. By surrendering our worries to Him, we find stability and peace, knowing that He will keep us grounded no matter what struggles or storms we face. He is a promise keeper. We were never meant to carry everything alone. God invites us to release all our worries into His hands.